Yes, omongi na donya. Ngore nginga nongi wete na ndente getonga mato chitaika nge isano iga ange komi nkwerere kuna manganare. Nimete mubwate ritimure into. Tubwate ritimure into togonya gukama. Togonya gutieria. Tubwate ritimure into togonya gutieria. Lakini asebo niga ntubwate asitogo kama. Okay. Kanya kama. But we know, I just understand you. Politics is all about interest. Probably kwa rali your interest are best served imeya so Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto. Aye, abara ibake bagusi akina Osoro, Japhet Nyakundi, abande banyamira akina Ntogoro, Jerusha Mumanyi. Mwaso ile ime ya so Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto. Eng'ombe iyo mokonya gukama. Lakini rende gaki omongi na Mama County. I'm just probably, maybe I'm just viewing politics in a different way, but gatirende moroche tubwataga tururura into gaitu inki mota wanjira inki mogo watigera njara inki moka ombereti mokonya kurageria moka mabosa without kurageria mokonya kurageria eng'ombe ye jirani mutigitaga tururura gaitu gaki iba muko tubwatesia ukarisi ndobwati magoso ino kama ng'ombe ino but ngirende mukonya gwaka kara amakomaga turugaito ngirende muko yo shwari Matiang'i no mwana witu wiriraba omwana witu to wetageria na into to osokire imuri korenge how proud munega sakyo mugusige guchikoba eke turoche our one of our own mwana wiriraba our son at the top but inwe your job, so long as your interest is served well, Matiang'i probably is not your uncle, is not your relative. But the fact is, into otobachorete koto represent. Just for that fact that you represent Gusi, you for example, you represent Omogusi Okisi County, Mama County. Why can't you read the majority? Do you know? And that is the fact in Chetongeja. In 2027, you are one of the people projected to go home, Sambiri P.O. Box home. I don't know the miracle you are going to do. I don't know the miracle you are going to perform between now and 2027. You will save over as office. I don't know. Maybe if you change tune, probably abagusimpa kotegerere. But this is my advice to you, Donya Tuto. Agaturugaito tubugatesie kanyago kama inwe ng'ombe asimo kama tubugatesie agaturugaito ngoma etinge ng'ombe erie jirani ngosi erankyo lakini agaturugaito ntutu katogo kalisi ngaimo cha gutamera. Okay, tora so I don't know how to put this, but yo ngotogaragari mure ngotogechimure nakabanga karabe nagaito totige into bono tokalisi bali tokalisi tochago kama na intwe inte toro kanige saku we are the top, yeah, to occupy at the top seat. Yes, amangana mongo choli Matiang'i amangana mokorama Matiang'i taisaini Matiang'i is a sleeping fellow. Yo, that is so stupid. I'm sorry, but again the kimokora, you are not doing it. Amfanyi kitu poa, amfanyi chikabira chine njiko kora hiyo na into ketubwataka muntu kaito goso mwana itokorwa sirira ori to ararire ngam na bwate potential tikana into to bombo koboko tomo amagoro erinde na into egesaku keito gosenge konyeke gosenge kuanu gosenge ato kwegetsaku keito gosenge sikwe morocho mwana oito omo ske Fred oke Matiang'i merema akorete ase ti ministry mbali chiria abete kobaka koba sign no Mheshimiwa Uhuru. Didn't you see you were here? No, at the talk of the town, the best performer abantu bakora emirimo gucha kurukare omonto go stand is none other than Fred Oke Matiang'i. As a ministry ICT, you saw the migration from analog to digital. Sahi buna tokwa na igano no mutandao utole. We are enjoying this space courtesy of the good work of Omwana Wiriraba, none other than Fred Oke Matiang'i. As a ministry education, you saw what happened in 2016. Ekera ave joined the ministry education. Kwenye ministry ya rally, kwenye ministry ya quality cartels, but alienda huko akatoa hizo cartels. Mwana wote no credibility examination ya 2016 na kia bed but after you can see it's very clear noroche means ne kuyumba une changanye tino nabasa abayiboli omwana bweliraba akole gas. You saw what he did in the midst of interior. You saw what he did. And in fact, the courtesy of good work of Fred Okengo Matiang'i, Uhuru Kenyatta was able to make him akababuna omo prime minister. In fact, he was second in command. Lakini Musibati Donya, Babo Ntogoro, Babo Osoro, Babo Japheth. You saw how you went. Do you know, are you calling a front line? Kudanganya, what's the name of that guy? Monda. And there is no impeachment, itakushika, but ako wapi sahi? Get yourself your. So, Donya, my advice, that is why you were elected. And the idea of not better elected, but I supported you. You are elected courtesy. Yeah, you are the programs you had, the program you explained to people, your manifesto. You were elected based on that. Ndo target na ndoira niwe in 2027. Kolebi ntovuno mugusia guchika. Moroche ground ya sekere. Na in fact it's only a fool. Okay, sorry for using that. Basically, moroche ground ya sekere. A ground ya kere ase Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Na hadi tigango tebiga. If Fred Okengo Matiang'i ataenda moja kwa moja mpaka debeni, ataenda moja kwa moja mpaka kwenye debe. Anybody, including you, including you truly, including Omanogeribo Mogusi Simba Arati, anybody who is going to be perceived to go against our son, Fred Okengo Matiang'i, atafail na atafail terribly. Yes, I'm telling you. Nimekwambia mapema, usiseme sikukwambia. Sahi kara kama ng'ombe. But you don't know how this will affect your future political career. Political career chia bange chia rade because of premature decisions bako make. Wana mnege ndekero chika ine wazi ground kiaba gusi ngo barora balenga inuna basaliti. Yes, that is the advice. Anyway, ole na mato na whatever. I think you have advisors yoko oko akana njeturanga kana kende gios. So siwezi kuambia kila kitu, but you know the ground. If your advisors are not advising you the same, then those are failures. Na davako chiko contribute ne your downfall. But anyway, probably unapata kichele hii side, and that is why I talked about the interest. Endelea kupata kichele, lakini kumbuka ya kwamba obo saliti asigisa kyomo gusi, we are not going to take it lightly. Yes, we are not going to take it lightly. Jenga jina ni muhimu kuliko kichele. Nimewaambia, alright, nimewaambia. Okay, mroche say ground kire, mimi nimewaambia mapema mbia na batebi budi ground kire. So anyway, na rawi nabwate jina mayango gosabera and kalero mugusiyemeremo probably nabotora abe divided net politics because nemera ngo tole, but then the main to basa ko lose focus asi ensemo yamagendera kara kora magendera probably nabotora go chunjuge nabotora use that fact alone ko elect na kongu, lakini nabotoko chagotema kero twararire nga maybe ensemo yamagendera rombu yole oba na kongu kero ogupinga Fred Okengo Matiang'i na batebire yetali anesi bon ne kene na batebire byamono ase obotegereri.